South Sudan's government says it does not have enough money to meet all its obligations. Officials say the revenue collected often doesn't reach its coffers due to corruption. This is as rising insecurity has further compounded the crisis, raising prices of basic commodities. South Sudan's government last paid its civil servants in August last year.
This is where we do a lot of things. We pay school fees out of this work. We rent, here in Juba, we rent, a lot of things, even everything about Juba is money. So with that money, I think that is very, very difficult for us to cope up with.
The local currency, the South Sudanese pound, is declining in value against the US dollar. The currency is currently trading above 1,500 to the US dollar officially and 1,700 in the black market. Early in February, the exchange rate stood at 1,100 pounds for $1 US. The continued depreciation of the pound has forced the price of fuel to surge as basic commodities become more expensive. South Sudan's government insists it is working to address the problem. It is urging the public to do more to support themselves.
We South Sudanese, we would like X and Y to do for us. But let us promote within our communities self-reliance, self-help activities. They can do greatly, but we need to develop that culture, rather than expecting the government or even a third party to do that.
However, many here say they are losing hope since the government has not offered any tangible solutions to the rise in prices. South Sudan relies heavily on production of oil exported to the international markets through Sudan, but the ongoing fighting in Sudan and the Israel-Palestinian conflict is disrupting transportation of oil to the international market, and that is negatively impacting South Sudan. One economic expert says one way of the government addressing the current challenge would be to encourage foreign direct investment in the country. He, however, warns that the country has a long way in achieving that goal.
Generally, when the prices are going up, when the pound is not very stable, the investors will not feel comfortable to come into the country. So you see a shrinkage in terms of the investment. Okay? And then the other thing is the price rise, you'll actually see the infrastructure is not actually happening at the moment. So that, again, is not putting money into the people.
In the meantime, South Sudan's government says it is working closely with key financial institutions to agree on a unified way to address the ongoing economic crisis. Patrick Oyet, CGTN, Juba, South Sudan.